Hello students, welcome back. Today we will learn how to implement these statistical formulas using NumPy. This is your question. The code is import NumPy as NP. We are importing the NumPy library and we're giving it a short name as NP. We need to install the NumPy library as I have shown in the previous video how to install pandas similarly. Data is equal to np.random.randn 1000 which renders a 1000 random values and stores them in data. Print random data set first 10 values /n data 10 /n. It prints only the first 10 values from the data set. Mean underscore value is equal to np.mean data, which calculates the average value of the data set. Print mean comma mean underscore value, which displays the calculated mean. Median underscore value is equal to np.median data, which finds the middle value of your data. Print median comma median underscore value, which prints the median. Variance underscore value is equal to np.var data. This compute how the values have been spread out from the mean. Print variance comma variance underscore value, which shows the calculated variance. STD underscore deviation is equal to np.std data. This calculates the standard deviation, that is your square root of the variance. Print standard deviation comma std underscore deviation, which prints your standard deviation. Min underscore value is equal to np.min data, which finds the smallest value in the given data set. Prints minimum comma min underscore value, which prints your minimum value. Max underscore value is equal to np.max data, which finds the largest value in the data set. Print maximum comma max underscore value, which displays the maximum value. Next, this is your output, the calculated one of mean, median, variance, standard deviation, minimum and maximum. And the random data set out of 1000 set of values, I have only taken the first 10 values that has been displayed. Based on that, it has been calculated. This is your assignment. You'll have to complete it and you'll have to submit it without fail. Thank you. We hope you'll have understood my topic for today. Thank you.